Some more down and action. Ooh, also I got the new mic, so the audio should be relatively much better. You know those bugs that are in the forest and they just make the loudest, like, consistent, just psst. But let's be honest, there is nothing to do. The past 4 or 5 months, there's been nothing to do.
Literally nothing.
Actually, there's 2 things to do. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel right now, you're already watching, so be sure to smash that subscribe. We're trying to get to 100K subscribers by the end of the year. And if you have not liked this video, smash that like button. All right, that was kind of lame, I know. But either way though, I know why you guys are here. We're just gonna do a nice POV. I'm pretty sure everybody clicked off the video. I'm sorry for that, but POV ASMR, let's get it. Also though, stay till the end because I have a clip of when I went to the shop and I almost died, so you don't want to miss that. And I also did it for you guys, so let's get it. So I'm pretty sure all of you know, but if you're new here, this is my 2009 Nissan 370Z. We got a Tomei, we got intakes. Let me do a quick little run around of the car so you guys can see. But better yet, we got a big ol' flame tune. All right, so you may or may not know, but I am tuned by limp mode tuning. I've been tuned for about, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how everything works actually. I figured out a way to take off one harness at a time, so I don't take everything off to reach out for stuff. But all right, so I actually made a full video on like the tune and how it works, how much it costs and everything. I'm gonna link that in the description, but real quick, I'm just gonna show you guys how the maps work. Not this map, I'm talking about the flame map, everything else, type of map. Map. So first off, you change the maps by holding down the cruise control and then clicking the buttons. There's 5 maps. So if you want the first map, hold down the cruise, click it once. As you can see right there, I blinked once. Here we go, second map, we go 1 and 2. And so on. Depending on the tuner, you're gonna get different maps. So basically, first map, flame map. Second map, I believe it's 100 octane. Third map, just anti-lag / 2-step, real quick. Fourth map is basically the non-flame map. And fifth map is really cool. Let me show you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. The car basically turns off. And if you try to turn it on, it'll turn on sometimes, but just die. It basically cuts the fuel. First, let's get out of the flame map. So we're gonna put in 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are just in the cruising map. Like, there's no pops or anything. fast the flame map is, and here's how fast the no flame map is. It's ridiculous. Alright, well, temps are up, but as I promised you guys, I gotta show you a clip or a couple clips from like a couple days ago when we were at the shop. I'm gonna end the video there with those clips. You're gonna laugh a lot, so just smash that like, because I did it for y'all, so you better smash that like button, subscribe, and with that said, let's just watch. My camera in the car, we're about to leave, but we're gonna do this challenge. Where's the death nut? This level 4 out of 5.
Two times the Carolina Reaper.
Jesus Christ.
Dude, I didn't read that.
Oh, too late now. Get back up.
Hey, no. That's pretty stinging in my tongue.
It burns immediately.
Oh, it's down.
Did you swallow it?
I just know that.
Yeah, I got one under my tongue.
Why are you so red?
Definitely, the whole thing has 2 holes on it, so...
He's done, bro.
So
The stage 2 and the stage 4 are like intertwined.
Yeah, I know!
You guys cannot be. You're just normal?
yeah. Carolina Reapers are only like 300,000 Scoville. This one is 13 million Scoville.
Come on! You still gotta swallow 5!
Yo, atake.
Oh, but wait. What is that, though?
I literally only do this for the vlog, so if you're watching right now, and you're not subscribed, leave a like.
Danny, you have to eat 5. Danny, you have to. Danny, you have to. You have to. You already did it. You already did it, though. You already did it, though. No, you have to.
Wait, okay, yeah, this is very small.
Okay, alright, then that Christian gets the other one. Excuse me? Where's I'm sorry, boy.
13 million.
Danny, you better. Don't you walk out of the room, or I call you a quitter. Say, hey, come back here.
He's throwing up?
Look at that BMW, though. Now, start the vlog.
Bro, what is going on?
End the vlog. No, you gotta end the vlog now.
If you guys are watching this though, probably not gonna live ever again, so just hit that subscribe because
we're in the bathroom with 3 guys. Hey!
Yeah, I'm getting up. What happened? Did he end up throwing them?
I don't know.
I didn't. I gagged, but nothing came out.
Oh yeah, you gagged.
That would make it worse, right?
Daniel.
Why you go hit the simulator now?